Zdravo. Zdravo is a Serbian greeting. It means healthy or health. Uh, it means that we wish health to the person we are addressing. It's nice, isn't it? Zdravo. Hi, zdravo. But today we are not going to talk about nice words or greetings. No. Today we are going to talk about bad words, slurs, swears. And Serbs do like to slur and swear. Serbs. Why do I speak in third person? We do like to swear and slur. I do like it. I do in the first person singular. I like to do it. I do it sometimes. Not in a hurtful way though. Okay, sometimes I do. Okay, we cannot explain every single one because there is a lot of them, but just let's learn the basics here. Okay, fuck you is said yebise. Yebise. It's something between fuck you and go fuck yourself. Yebise. It's a simple one. This is a bit more complicated. It's yebemti. It means, and you see these three dots here, that means it requires an object. So yebemti and then something. That means I fuck yours, and then you put something of that other person's which belongs to that other person, and basically say you will punish this other person by fucking something they own. Why is sex punishment? I don't know. It's not. But yes, we use it in this sentence as a punishment for something someone did, and we say, "Jebenti, I will fuck yours," and then something. Okay, the next one is jebote and three dots. It could be used without three dots. We can put exclamation mark instead of three dots and just say jebote. And jebote can be used widely for many different purposes. And there is a video about that, so I will skip that part. I will put the link in description. Okay, but jebote with three dots. It means basically you did something stupid or something annoying, and what you did is somehow connected to someone who put you up to that stupidity or who made you do this stupid shit, and then you said this person who made you do it has fucked you basically in the brain, but we don't use brain, but that means you were fucked by, and then three dots, you put someone there. Okay, this could be used, we can also use as an object some things, an actual object, not a person. If someone is annoying and always speaks about someone the same thing, and you are not interested in it, it bores you, and you can say, ah, yeah, but and then, okay, three dots. This one you can use if this someone with this someone or that something which annoys you, or which or who put the person up to that annoying thing is masculine or neutral. If it is something or someone feminine, then you can use yebalate. Okay, okay, actually not. Jebote. You can use it only if the one who put you up to this stupid thing, or this thing which is stupid and you keep doing it, is masculine. If it's feminine, you will use jebalate. And if it's neutral, you will use jebalote. Okay? Now we have some slurs or swears with some serious philosophy behind them. For example, marš or idi, marš or idi u pičku materinu. Idi u pičku materinu or marš u pičku materinu. It means go to your mother's cunt. Basically, it means you turned out to be a very bad person. Yeah, yeah. You have no character. You're garbage, basically. So you did not turn out to be okay. So go back into your mother's cunt and try again. Okay? Basically, Marshu Pichku Materinu means do reborn, do be reborn, or something like that. So go back and then try again. Because now you are not good. Go back and try again, and maybe the next time you will be turned to be okay. Okay? Now, this, remember this, Yabenti, I will fuck yours? Well, most times it is very harsh, and it is said without any responsibility taken from the part of the person who threatens with fucking. Okay, but there is one case when actually that person takes a responsibility, and this is jebem sunce žarko. That means, well, how to explain that? That means I will fuck your sun, your burning and incredibly hot sun, shiny and incredibly hot and burning. Like I will fuck the sun's surface, basically, if the sun belongs to you. So, what does it mean? So, it means something like, well, I will not let the universe to punish you for what you did. I will not let the God punish you for what you did. I will take the responsibility for punishing you to myself. But if I'm wrong, well, that could mean something very bad for me too. So I'm taking responsibility, and I'm not fucking like some of your relatives or pets or something like that. No. I am fucking the sun which shines upon you. Okay? The sun which gives you warmth and, you know, you get it. Okay. Idiokurac is basically a variety of idiu pičku materinu. So this is go back to your mother's count because you didn't turn out okay. But this is, you are so bad that you have to go way back. So to your father's penis, basically. So your bare conception was a mistake because you are so not good. So idiokurac. Okay? Oof, these are hard. This is a nasty one. Jedigovna. Jedigovna means eat shit. It's not a nice thing to say to someone. Though you have to say it like Jedigovna. If someone says something so surprising that you don't have the time to think, and the first shit you say is this. Okay? So basically, that person has to eat something that comes out of your mouth. Okay. And the last one. This is this is really, you should not ever, you should not say this to anyone ever, because it's very sad, and it's necessary. It's do not shit. Just imagine you are condemning the person to internal constipation. So it's really sad. Okay, don't say, except if you're using question mark instead of exclamation mark, or how do you call this thing? So if you say necessary, then okay, you don't really mean it. You don't really mean it. It's like something, someone said something so unbelievable, okay, that you say necessary, like stop shitting me for the moment. Okay, this is like temporarily, this is permanent, this is awful, but this is like more fun temporarily way. Okay, so now you know all the basic one, and please do not use them. Bye.